Hello there, fourth grade, and this week for your music lesson, we have our final step of the project that you've been working on, and this is going to be graded. All right, so I am looking on Schoology. Let's go through the checklist together. So number 1 is my video that you're watching right now. Number 2 is click here for project step 3. And you should have already finished this last week. It was the Pear Deck. This was the example that I showed you guys last week. All right. Number 3 says click here for instrument player. So this is the ORF library. All right. And your graded assignment for this week is you're going to record yourself playing your step 3 on one of these instruments here. All right, so there are a few ways that you can do this. So you can have your tabs open so that on one side you have your music player, or one side you have the music that you wrote down, and the other side you have your instrument. Or if it's maybe a little bit easier, you can take like a scrap piece of paper or maybe your whiteboard. You can write down your rhythms that you had here, and then you can look on your paper or your whiteboard and play along with it. So for an example, I'm just going to play my top row so you can hear how this sounds again. So the first one, I have C, ta. So I'm just going to play that once. Then I have G, tika, tika. All right, so for that one, I have to play that 4 times. So G 4 times. For that tika, tika. Same thing, I have A, tika, tika, so I have to play A 4 times. And then D is a rest, so I'm not going to play that at all. So here's my top row again. C, G, A, and then rest. All right, and for yours, you should also have your bottom row filled in. So what you're gonna do is you're probably gonna have to put your computer at the max volume. You're gonna bring up a recorder yourself. So you're gonna bring up the camera or whatever it is on your Chromebooks. You're going to record yourself playing your song. And when you're done, you are going to submit it here on Schoology. So on the side here, make sure that you upload that video so that I can give you a grade. All right, you cannot just type in okay or done or something like that. You need to upload the video for your final assignment. And if you're wondering how I'm going to grade you on this, let me go back to that folder for this week. So the first thing is your performance assignment. If you're curious how I'm going to grade it, you can click underneath here. It says the grading rubric, and I'm going to grade you on a few different categories. So if you did the step 1 and step 2, if you wrote nice and neat, and then of course I'm going to grade you for your final performance if you played whatever was written down on your step 3. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Message me on Schoology, and I'm looking forward to seeing all those final performances. Good luck!